Hello, my name is Harold Dinkins, and for my integrated capstone project, I will be giving you a briefing on the internal and external environments of Apple Inc. Apple Inc. was founded by two college dropouts named Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in 1976. It is a multinational corporation based out of Cupertino, California. The company specializes in designing as well as developing personal computers, electronic devices, including iPads, MP3 players, and software products. Among Apple's most popular electronic devices are the iPhone, the iPod, the iMac, the iPad, and the company has been in the forefront of innovation, innovating new electronic products. The company continues to be successful in the market because it understands what the consumer wants, even when they don't know what they need. Apple products are designed with a unique creative innovation as well as design, yet they are stylish, affordable, and user-friendly. The purpose of this brief will be to examine the impact of internal and external organizational environments that affect Apple Inc. We'll also explore the extent to which the organizational environments affect Apple, and we will show the implications of social, technological, and economic factors on Apple Inc. if the company is to continue to its success story. Apple Inc. is an example of an adaptive enterprise. Its ability to respond appropriately to the various changes that have occurred in the business and social environments in which it operates, such as the evolution of the society, ecology, politics, economy, and technology. It does this by relying on the feedback process, efficient operations, and it continues to respond to the behaviors and beliefs of the customers. Most of all, Apple uses innovation as a primary basis of its identity, reputation, and brand variance, which is a trademark it was founded. Apple continues to spend significantly high budgets on research and development as compared to its competitors. The ideology is that the technology consumers are better informed due to the significantly high levels of educational attainment and access to and use of social media tools and platforms. Apple's success story is typified by the more than 10% market portions that controls of the personal computers in the world. The company now sells more digital music copies than any other company in the world. The company's tablets and smartphones account for approximately 12% of the handsets market around the globe. The company started as an innovative computing products manufacturer, but has eventually transformed into a consumer electronic company. Currently, the company has about 9 products and 7 services sold in over 378 retail stores located across the globe. Apple Inc.'s vision is committed to ensuring that students, creative professionals, consumers, and educators have the best experience that they interact with personal computing devices. This is done through the innovative products including software, hardware, and internet offerings. It also aims at introducing the digital music through iTunes online digital music store. The company aims at reinventing the mobile phone experience through its revolutionary App Store and iPhone. Apple Inc. values that the company exists to manufacture great products. It believes in the simple but not complex, and that it only participates in which it will make the greatest contribution. Apple's internal environmental strength is its merchandise variants. The company has continued to distinguish itself from other technological brands by using an operating system stronger compared to its main rival Microsoft, since it's not susceptible to espionage and bugs on the system. Apple brand is reputable and easily identified by consumers all over the world. Apple Inc.'s products obtain the business identity as high quality products that were fun and creative. Apple deals with both hardware and software development. Apple operates excellently because it has better management management practices for its computer manufacturing and software. The company only has to regulate its computer hardware and software designs as that it conforms to its operational applications and artistic as the customer would want. So as for external environment, Apple Inc. acknowledges that the socio-cultural context in which it operates in plays an essential role on whether it generates profits or loss. Therefore, the company ensures that it adapts to the various cultures in which it has operations across the world. The socio-cultural context of the company is essential in enhancing or restricting the ability of the company to make profits in the international segment. So Apple Inc. must make significant changes in such markets as Asia and Africa, where 3G as well as 4G mobile networks are not yet popular. Therefore, tablets and smartphones are designed to operate on these networks cannot be effectively sold in such markets. In the African and Asian markets, customers prefer to use cash for purchase transactions rather than credit cards. This has the implication that most retailers do not accept credit cards payments, as the customers will prefer seeing the product that they must buy. Most Apple products are highly priced and therefore not ideal for the Asian and African markets. This is typified by the fact that Apple tends to have a slightly lower market size in these regions as compared to competitors that it outdoes in other regions such as Europe and America. In order for the company to become more competitive in new cultures, it is imperative that its executive management analysis is done and ensure that the business strategy fits into the socio-economic and culture of that target market. Given the various opportunities and trends that the internal and external environment present to Apple Inc., it is imperative that the company remains focused on the various lifestyle branding. The company must continue to advertise and market its products properly to current and potential customers effectively to maintain its excellent reputation. The company must also effectively and efficiently manage its internal resources so that the company can develop innovative user interfaces for its products. It is also imperative that the company continue to diversify its electronic products portfolio, since the technological industry where it operates is now filled with consumers and competitors. This concludes my briefing. I hope you find it interesting and informative. Thank you for tuning in.